I'm just parking in here.
Oh, that's the rail station.
That's all right. I'm just parking in here. It looks like you can park this right here.
Only.
Oh, was that where we're going?
Wait, is that a shark nose?
I'm going closer.
No, someone vandalized it. Are you kidding me?
Oh, this is the visitor center.
Hey,
Wait, that's a shark nose, I think.
let's park right here. Reserved. Oh, reserved. Not reserved.
Yeah. Gee, Nathan.
Look at
Wow.
that.
$30 here. Never thought I'd be standing between two frames, but oh well.
And this is a Canadian Pacific locomotive. Oh, never have I ever stood in front of a train. Minutes. Jeez, who analyzes this? Said they were from Calgary. I'll find you. Oh, it's giant. The coupler's broken. Look at this. The coupler's broken. Oh. What's this thing's bell? Does it have a bell? I don't see a bell. These things don't have bells. They're horns and beasts. Oh, whoa. It's the new one over there.
All aboard! Choo choo! Stop.
Don't open it.
Unless you can.
Take a picture.
As you can see, there's some struggle getting down, but I made it, thankfully.
Well, it is fragile, so you have to be somewhat gentle, but. Good job. Yeah, see, it takes a bit of practice. Okay, so now we gotta push it back. Again.
Cool.
Let it out a little bit. Oh, and we did it. It does take a lot of practice.
I was gonna say you nailed it. Okay, Loki, let's see if you can do it. Gentle, remember?
So how do you do it? So give it two pretty big tugs. Good job.
Wait, now we're gonna try.
That's right. Because next time we come, just like those kettle,
We're making
those
it
houses
rain.
along the river. They won't be here next time. Okay, Tristan.
Hold on.
Thank you very much for the information. Letting them ring that horn. It's really appreciated.
Pretty sure you don't want to ring it? I'll videotape you doing it.
Have a good holiday.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, we will. Thank you so much.
That's the spatula on there. You can't use that for good things.
Yes.
Unless it's the same one. And I want to go look at those engines. Does anyone want to go look at the locomotives out there? Well, let's go take a look. Tristan, why don't you climb up in front of them?
film this. Holy crap. What the heck?